Most poultry farms succeed or fail because of just two major factors, and many farmers don't even realize it. These two factors quietly decide whether your farm becomes profitable or collapses, no matter how healthy your birds are. Understanding them is the difference between constant losses and predictable income. The first major factor that decides whether a poultry farm succeeds or fails is the market. The market shows whether buyers exist for the products you produce. Even if your birds are healthy and your farm is well managed, you cannot make money if no one wants what you are selling. Demand is not just about whether people eat eggs or chicken. It is about understanding how many buyers are nearby, what they prefer, and how much they are willing to pay. If a farmer produces the wrong product for the local market, problems arise. For example, if most people around your farm want eggs, but you decide to raise broilers because they grow faster, you may struggle to find buyers. Without enough local customers, you are forced to look for buyers far away. Selling to distant markets adds transportation costs, which can quickly eat into your profits. This problem is especially tough for beginners with small farms. When you transport a small quantity, the cost per bird or per egg is very high compared to large farms that sell in bulk. The realistic takeaway is that before starting any production, you must study your local market carefully. Produce what people actually want and can afford. This ensures that your farm starts with reliable sales and avoids the hidden costs and stress of chasing distant buyers. The market also changes with seasons, events, and local trends. Some periods naturally increase consumption, while others reduce it. Farmers who pay attention to these patterns stay one step ahead because they know when the market is strong and when it is weak. This awareness protects the business from slow sales and helps maintain stable cash flow. Competition also influences the market. When many farmers offer the same product in one area, buyers have options and often choose based on convenience, consistency, or price. For example, if 3 farmers around your village sell broilers, buyers may pick the one who is easiest to reach, delivers on time, or offers slightly better quality. A poultry farm must stand out in some way to avoid being forced into constant price cuts. Differentiation can take many forms. You could focus on consistently healthy birds or offer eggs that are cleaner and fresher than others in the market. Some farmers gain an advantage by delivering directly to customers or shops rather than expecting them to come to the farm. Others specialize in a rare breed that is not available locally, giving buyers a reason to choose them over competitors. Even small things like friendly customer service, flexible order sizes, or clear packaging can make your farm more appealing. After you have studied your market and planned for changes, turning those insights into numbers makes decision-making much easier. The Poultry Pro Planner comes in. It helps farmers estimate the number of eggs they can produce per day, so you know if the market can realistically absorb your production. It also projects profits, calculates expenses, and tracks other key metrics. I have versions for both layers and dual-purpose birds, allowing you to see exactly how your choices affect your farm's performance. You can find the download link in the description below. After understanding how the market shapes a poultry business, the second major factor that determines success or failure is feed. Feed is the engine of your farm. It controls growth, production, immunity, and the final profit you take home. Nearly every result you see on your farm, good or bad, can be traced back to the quality, cost, and consistency of the feed you use. This is why many farmers fail even when demand is strong. They underestimate how powerful feed is. Feed takes up the largest part of poultry expenses, often more than 60% of the entire budget. When feed prices rise, profits shrink instantly. When feed quality drops, production drops with it. Birds cannot hide the effects of poor nutrition. Weak growth, low egg production, high mortality, and increased disease cases all come from feed that is either low quality or inconsistent. A farm that does not manage feed properly will struggle even if every other part of the business is perfect. Quality feed creates fast growth, strong immunity, uniform flocks, and consistent egg production. Poor feed does the opposite. Feed also shapes how buyers see your farm. Strong birds, good body weight, shiny feathers, and strong eggshells make your products more attractive. Buyers trust farms that produce healthy, uniform birds. This trust becomes a competitive advantage. On the other hand, birds raised on weak feed look dull, grow slowly, and attract lower prices. A farmer who tries to save money with cheap feed usually ends up losing far more through reduced production and poor quality. Planning ahead is an essential part of feed management. Feed prices can rise or fall depending on the season, harvest results, and national policies. Farmers who do not plan often run out of feed or reduce rations to save money, and birds respond immediately by slowing growth or producing fewer eggs. A well-prepared farmer buys feed in bulk during favorable seasons, stores it properly, and makes sure feeding schedules are never missed. The easiest way to plan is to know exactly how much feed you need. I have feed calculators that show the amount of feed needed per day, per week, and per month for the entire life of your birds. You simply enter the number of birds and the tool does the calculations for you. You can find the download links in the description for layers, broilers, and dual-purpose birds. Monitoring feed efficiency is equally important. Every farmer should know how much feed is required to produce 1 kilogram of meat or 1 egg. Understanding this helps you measure how well your birds are performing and whether your feed strategy is working. Without tracking, losses remain hidden and can quietly affect the farm for months. When you combine a strong understanding of the market with a solid feed strategy, you create a powerful foundation for a successful poultry business. A farm cannot rely on only one of these forces. If the market is strong but feed is poor, results will be weak. If feed is excellent but demand is low, income will still struggle. True profitability comes from balancing both sides so that production matches what buyers want and birds grow efficiently without unnecessary losses. Market awareness helps you position your farm correctly. It guides you on what products to focus on, the quality to aim for, and the best time to adjust your output. At the same time, proper feed management ensures that your birds meet the expectations of the market. Strong, healthy, and uniform birds create trust, and trust builds regular buyers. This connection between market strategy and feed quality is what separates stable farms from those that constantly fight to survive. As your farm begins to stabilize, the right strategy allows you to grow at a safe and controlled pace. Expansion becomes less risky because you understand how much the market can handle and how much feed will be required to maintain performance. This prevents the common mistake of growing too fast without proper support. When both the market and feed systems are strong, scaling becomes smoother and more predictable. To succeed in poultry farming, you must turn market knowledge and feed management into practical action. Knowing these two factors is not enough. What matters is how you use them to strengthen your farm every single day. For the market, the real solution is building stability. Instead of constantly searching for new buyers, create strong relationships with a small number of reliable customers. Treat them well, communicate clearly, and deliver consistently. This keeps your sales predictable and reduces stress during slow seasons. Another powerful solution is building visibility. Use simple tools like WhatsApp, Facebook, or local delivery networks to make sure people can easily find and order from you. A farm that is visible stays relevant even when competition increases. On the feed side, the best solution is control. Set a system that tracks how much feed you use, how your birds respond, and how much it costs you to produce 1 egg or 1 kilogram of meat. When you track performance, you can quickly fix small issues before they damage production. You also gain the ability to forecast your future feed needs, which helps you avoid shortages and unexpected expenses. That's it for today. If you want to take control of your poultry farm and plan smarter, make sure to download the Poultry Pro Planner and feed calculators. The links are in the description below for layers, broilers, and dual-purpose birds. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more practical tips on poultry farming. Also, check out the video on your screen for more strategies to boost poultry production. Watch it next and take your farm to the next level.